Alright, so in this series of the TMN Prime video, we talk about an important concept, and it comes from a really important book that I think you should absolutely read, and the name of the book is E-Myth. So go grab the book and read the book, but let me talk about the concept broadly so that you can grasp the most important elements from the book and use it to grow your business. Right, so what does the book talk about broadly? And I'll divide this series into a few videos so that you can grab the concept easily. So broadly, the concept is a lot of times we get stuck in the business as the technicians of the business. For example, let's say if you're a photographer, if you're a dancer, if you're a fitness trainer, or if you're a makeup artist, you like gymming, or you like doing the makeup, or you like clicking pictures, and you're working in an organization, but suddenly you feel like, hey, you know what, I'm so good at this stuff, why should I spend my time working for someone else? Let's just go out, chase my own dream. And then you quit the job, you go chase your own dream, but that's when you realize that, hey, that's the worst thing that's happened to you, because now you're your own fucking boss. Now you are the one who has to keep yourself accountable. You are the one who is not just now looked at clicking the pictures or doing the makeup, but you're also responsible for getting the clients. And that's when things start going north. That's when things starts becoming difficult. So most people who are passionate about things, and they get swayed away by terms like be your own boss, start your own business, find your freedom, and all that jazz, which is all cool, but then they don't take into consideration that, hey, when you go the freelance way, or when you plan to start your own business, you are more than the technician. So what exactly is a technician, what exactly is a business operator, are the terms that are broadly that are the core concept of the book, which we discuss in the next videos to come. So before you take the plunge into starting your own business or going the freelance way and following your passion, these are the things that you need to keep in mind and consider. And once you do them, I think you'll have a much better path towards building the life and business of your dream. So we discuss this and more in this series about the E-Myth.